Hey everybody, there's a cute Christmas craft to do. I think these came out real pretty. They are little button Christmas trees. I have a little jingle bell on the bottom. I used a jingle bell. I used just random buttons. I had these stars already in my stash. I needed a needle nose plier, a wire cutter. I think I got 26 gauge wire. This is expensive. This is $11. So if you do buy the wire, make sure that you measure properly. I used about 6 inches for each one. What you want to do is you want to double up your wire. You want to make it like in a U shape. And then you want to put the bell on. You want to put the bell on first, and then you want to start loading your buttons on there. And so what you're going to do is you're going to have two wires coming up. So you're going to get one piece of wire and make like a U, and then you're going to put each end of the wire into two of the button holes, right? Just pick whatever two you want. Well, pick the ones that are across from each other. And then you just load up your wire till you get something that sort of resembles a tree. Top it with a star or with a small button. It's up to you. And I'm not really good at using wire, so I just made that mess at the top. But this would be good for a project with your kids, project with the ladies, church project, project with your, I was going to say, with school kids. It could be a project for your Sunday school class. So I made this one. I made this one. They do ring. Make sure when you're picking a bell, pick bells that have sound, because some of them you can't even hear them. And then I made a blue one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.